Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and this is how to edit chessboard chess.com. So guys, first thing that you will do is simply go to chess.com and make sure you are signed in into your account. And from here guys, just simply go ahead and go to the settings over here on the left side bottom of the screen. And from here on the settings, a pop-up will show up and just simply go to all settings. And now from here, guys, on the all settings, just simply go ahead and go to board and pieces over here on the second one. And from here, you will have a very detailed options that you can choose from. So you will have here pieces, so you can choose different color or material. And you will have here board, so you can choose multiple color as well. And from here, you will have multiple detailed option as well. And once you are done, guys, just simply click on save in order for it to apply the changes. And that's simply about it. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any question, just comment down below and we'll try our best to answer your question. And thanks for watching. See ya.